Hi lovely people, and welcome back once again to Dacty for Use channel. I hope you are all doing great, staying safe and staying out of trouble. Thank you guys so much for all the love and the support. I really appreciate it so much. So today I'm going to share with you guys how I make my simple but yet delicious pepper spicy green chili sauce with an additional recipe. Yeah, there is a bonus recipe there. So here are my ingredients. I have my green pepper, spring onion, peppers, ginger, garlic, 1 tablet cube, magister cube, and then onions. I will leave everything in the descriptive box below, and then my oil. So here I cut and then I washed and cut all my ingredients, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to just toss everything in the blender. Yes, everything, all the ingredients are going straight into the blender, and then we blend it. So please, to my old subscribers, thank you guys so much for always coming back to watch me. God bless you. And please, if you are new here, I say thank you so much. My new subscribers, you are welcome so much, and you being here, it's very well appreciated. And if you are here and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel, share and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my uploads. Thank you guys so much. So now we are blending everything to a blend. You can decide to blend it like roughly, but today we are going for a smooth blend. So here my saucepan is on fire, and then I just went ahead to pour everything into my saucepan. Then on a medium heat we are going to fry this. So I added the remaining oil to my sauce. Yes, so I added, you saw me adding one or part some of the oil to the vegetables before we blended, so we did not add any water in. The oil help us to blend this, help blending these vegetables very easy. You don't need no water. So we are just going to fry this for about 25 to 30 minutes, then it's all done. Yes, you can fry it if you want to keep it for a long time. You have to fry it for about 30 minutes, and then it will be all done. That time all the water in it will be drained, and then you will be good to go. So here after 30 minutes, this is how our green chili sauce is looking. Just look at it. It's so simple to make, but yet so delicious. Yes, it's very delicious, and it goes well with a lot of things. So here let's make our bonus recipe. So here the bonus recipe is how I make my turmeric rice. Yes, and it's so yummy. So here I added about 2 tablespoons of the oil from our green chili sauce. Yes, we are using the green chili sauce oil to make this, and guys, it takes the rice to a different level, because you know all the goodies in that sauce, that chili sauce, the spiciness, everything in there is going right into our rice, so it makes the rice smell so good and taste so nice. So I just added in some sliced onions to it, about half a medium size of sliced onion. Then I fried that for about 3 minutes, and then I went ahead to add in my washed rice. Yes, I added my washed rice, and then we are just going to toast this rice for about 2 minutes, and then we go ahead and then add in our turmeric powder to it. Yes, so now we are going to add in turmeric powder. If you don't have turmeric powder, you can use curry powder for this recipe. Yes, you can either use curry powder or turmeric powder for this recipe if you don't have it. So here I added in my turmeric powder, and then I just went ahead to stir everything in together, and then we continue to toast our rice, and then we did that for a while before we added in water. So here you just mix it and see if the color is enough for you, then you go. But if you think you want the color to be deep, you go ahead and then you add more to it. So here we are just toasting it, and then I went ahead to add in the a little bit of that oil, but it's not like the oil. You see, there is some pepper in there, like it's about let's say about 1 teaspoon of that pepper sauce is in there. It's just what we just added. Yes, we just added about 1 teaspoon of the pepper sauce to it at this time. And now we are toasting our rice. Make sure you toast it very well, and while doing that, make sure that you add your salt to it. So now we are going to just go ahead and then add the salt. That is what I just did. You have to add salt to it, and then you add water to it. And guys, don't add too much water. I don't want my rice too mushy, so I don't really usually add too much water to my rice, but you know, you do what you want. Yes, you do what is best for you. If you like your rice to be too soft, go ahead and add more water. If you don't want it to be too soft, add what works for you. And every rice cooked differently, so you know your rice. Always know the kind of rice that you are using, and use that to add the amount of water that you will need. If I say I added 1 cup of water, your rice might be different from mine. So here, after about 15 minutes, all the water is drained from the rice. Now is the steaming process. It's going to start. So I just covered it with foil, and then we are going to just steam this rice on a low to medium heat. Yes, for about another 15 minutes, and then it will be all done. So here our rice is all done. Just look at the color, it's so beautiful, and my god, the aroma was so nice. So we are going to have our rice with our green chili sauce and our chicken avocado salad. Yes, that recipe is right on my channel, so you can check it out. That is our green sauce right there, our chicken avocado salad. So simple, yummy, nutritious. Oh my god, it was so nice. So please, if you happen to be here once again and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. God bless you so much, and until we meet again, I say please stay safe, stay out of trouble. You know, we are not in our normal time, so please make sure to love yourself, love your neighbors as yourself. Do what you want others to do for you. Don't be selfish. Think about yourself, think about your kids, think about your family and friends, and stay alive.